Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix WhatsApp calls not showing in recents on iPhone. So let's start. So first let's go to settings, and here on settings let's select our Apple ID, and then let's go to iCloud. Here on iCloud you have to scroll down and let's go to iCloud Drive, and here you have to sign this iPhone. When you do it, you will sign with WhatsApp or the apps that have to sign with the other iPhone that you have or with other accounts. So with that, you probably will have a fixed account not showing in recess on your iPhone. So that is how you can do it. You have to, of course, sign it, and with all apps that you have, you can start using and check all your calls that you have recent on your WhatsApp. So guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.